Welcome back to Tiz's terrible vlog angles and quietly whispered in public vlogs. I always forget to take videos of a bunch of things, but I have a lot of little mini videos of some of the scenery and some like random tips and things that I did while I was here for 4 or 5 days in Chania. So I'm currently sitting at the airport getting ready to fly out, but I'm excited to show you guys what I got up to. To be honest, I keep making really dumb travel decisions this time. Normally not so bad, but this time I keep booking flights that are like in the middle of the night. It's currently 6 a.m. This is a later flight than the one that I have to take later. But it's so dumb. It's fine. It's fine. So awkward. Got my one little bag. Have a ticket to, I think, the last stop in Chania. I think that's how you say it. On Crete, but that's also not how they say it here. Can't pronounce anything. But have a bus ticket to get there, so it should be good. It's a little windy, so I don't know if you can hear, but we found beaches. And there's not a ton of people here. It's past hour that's like really busy. I think it's almost like 6:30. We went to a different beach earlier today. Met some people in the hostel, and then we traveled around. But I'll make a little video montage of the things that you guys have missed so far. We went to an amazing vegan place called Pulse for dinner, and then they dragged me to an arcade to ring in my 33rd birthday at midnight. The next morning I woke up bright and early to catch the bus to Elafonisi. A lot of the public transport around here only has 1 or 2 bus times, so it'll leave in the morning and come back in the evening. And so this is the beach for the first time and the pink sands. There wasn't that much. Apparently a lot of tourists actually take some of the sands home and maybe the wind blows them away, but it was still gorgeous. The waters were super clear, a little bit freezing, but 100% worth it. Try not to fall in. It's probably too windy for you to be able to hear me, but this water, look how clear it is. I'm walking on my fancies. It's really cold though. So this is, look at that. We're toe walking. We're toe walking. Get there. I'm gonna put my phone back on the beach. I'm gonna jump in one more time. But this is birthday beach trip number 4 in the books. The next morning, I was going to go on a hike to San Maria Gorge, which I'll explain more of why here in a second. So instead, I just explored more of downtown Chania. So I didn't go on the hiking trip because I'm still trying to train in the new barefoot shoes. My sandals are falling apart. Shoes, the bane of my travel existence. I still have to find the perfect pair. Since my shoes weren't great, I decided I probably should not go on an 11-mile hike. My feet were already hurting, so instead, this is where I ended up. I'm in the process of walking down. There's a lighthouse there in the end. Over here it's like the old Venetian port. I'll get a better video of it, but it's pretty cool. Currently, my iPhone is giving me a warning that it needs to cool down, which probably means that I need to cool down too. I am dying, but walked all the way to the lighthouse, and then here's the Venetian port. And then I'm walking back along the wall. So it's pretty neat. It's just really, really hot. I'm dying. There's a hole in the wall. I don't want to drop my phone. I have a hostel tip for you. This is my dinner. It's a can of beans, a packet of basmati rice, melted some cheese. The beans are like tomato sauce beans, which are kind of good. But if your hostel has a kitchen, eat in the hostel to save money. So I spent like 11 euros for my past 2 or 3 days worth of meals. Like I bought beans, rice, cheese, rice crackers, cucumber, some dolmas and olives, and it's pretty cheap. And I kind of just like snack throughout the day. That's the outside. There's the pool. This is kind of like the common room. There's actually a kitchen. You can't really see it through the plant, but there's a kitchen over there, and there's another kitchen in the hallway. So you've got a space where you can make food. Sometimes you don't even need to, like, you can buy food that you don't need to cook, and as long as you can like put it together, it's an easy way to save money, because I think food is the place that you end up spending a ton of money on when you travel. So I try to eat out like once, maybe less per day. But anyway, cheers. And one more thing. Obviously, food is one of the best parts about travel. So that's why I eat in most of the time, and then I usually give myself like a meal or something per day to eat out and enjoy the culture. That was lovely. My last day, got up, went to a brunch spot. I don't think I took any videos now that I think about it, but maybe I'll be able to throw a picture in there of the lovely food that we got. And then went to the beach for an hour, took a quick shower, and here we are at the airport, getting ready to fly off. Thank you for coming along this journey. Please like and subscribe if you want to see where we go next, and I will see you soon.